He wasn't choking. He fainted. Weird, right? Here's why. Severe coughing does something wild. It spikes pressure inside your chest. That high intrathoracic pressure squashes venous return to the heart, so less blood gets pumped up to your brain. Brain perfusion drops fast, and you doidads, and you're booing sauce, and then you black out. It's called cough syncope. Most people snap back when pressure eases. Repeated or prolonged episodes need a doctor. If someone collapses, treat it like any faint. Hoi for the beats, in day and she, call for help.